You've learned a little bit about future time using be going to and using will. So now let's look at them both a little bit more. What's the difference between will and be going to? In most cases, you can use both. There's no difference. You can say she is going to do great things in her life. She will do great things in her life. The meaning is the same. You're going to use will or be going to for things you believe will happen in the future. It will rain tomorrow. It is going to rain tomorrow. Same meaning. We will have a test on the last day. We are going to have a test on the last day. They are exactly the same. Now we are talking about the future, so maybe you're not 100% sure. Maybe you're only 80 or 90% sure. You feel strongly that something will happen, but you're not totally sure. You can add probably. It will probably rain tomorrow, or it is probably going to rain tomorrow. We will probably have a test. We are probably going to have a test. Let's look at probably a little bit closer. So when you use will, you have to pay attention to the negative. So the positive is I will probably forget her name. We put probably in the middle. So the verb is will forget, and we put probably right in the middle. I'll probably forget her name. But when it's negative, it's different. You put the probably first, and then you put won't after. So I probably won't remember. Your verb is won't remember. You could use the contraction we'll. So we'll probably have class online in the fall. It's true. So we have the will have, that's our verb, and we put probably in the middle. But when we make negative, again, we put the probably first. We probably won't have regular class in the fall. So our verb is won't have, and it goes after probably. It's not the same thing with be going to. We are probably going to have a quiz next week. We are probably not going to have a quiz tomorrow. In both sentences, you put probably second after the be verb. The thing you need to remember is you cannot put probably with a contraction with be going to. We aren't probably going to have a quiz? No, that's wrong. You need to say we are probably not. We are probably not going to have a quiz. So the meaning of will and be going to are usually the same thing, but not always. Sometimes we use will to mean I can do it, or we are willing to do it. We are willing to help. This is called volunteering. So let's look more closely at this case with will. Who can help me move tomorrow? Me. I will help you. So he is volunteering. He's saying he can do it. He is willing to help. The teacher says, who can answer the question? And two students say, we will do it. They are volunteering to do something. Volunteering is only with will. I will help you. not I'm going to help you. We will do it, not we are going to do it. So that is your major difference between will and be going to. Normally for the future, will and be going to are exactly the same thing. All right, good luck. Let's do some practice.